Japan's government has approved its biggest defense budget to date. The draft budget for fiscal 2018 came in at a whopping 5.19 trillion yen, up 1.3% from the previous year. It's the sixth consecutive year the budget has increased. And officials say a lot of that money will go toward bolstering Japan's defenses against escalating threats from North Korea. As Japan's Minister of Defense told reporters, our nation's security is under a greater threat. It is significantly important that we procure cutting-edge equipment. It's important that we continue to increase pressure on North Korea to urge the regime to alter its policy. The budget was approved nearly a month after North Korea's latest missile launch. North Korea said that missile was tipped with a super-large warhead and claims it is capable of striking the whole U.S. mainland.